Automotive Passion carbon fiber arch guards for the BMW i4. These fit the normal and the M Sport line, including the M50. So first off, we've already done it on this vehicle. We've removed the screws. The lower two screws are to be removed. With the kit, you will have new supplied screws and nylon washers and nylon spacers. On the bottom holes, you're going to use a 7.5 millimeter spacer marked on the little small packet, and on the top hole you're going to use the 5 millimeter spacer, which will be marked correctly with the kit. So let's go ahead and get them fitted up for the front. Before you fully tighten the arch guards, you will see that there is a little bit of movement, about 2 to 3 millimeters, that you can slide the arch guard in and out of the arch liner for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude from the arch itself. Let's go and tighten them up, and make sure to not over tighten. You will just see that the rubber washers will start to take a little bit of strain, and that's when you know that you've got them tightened up just enough. Moving on to the rears of the BMW i4, you have your three screws which are holding in the arch liner on the rear. I've already removed them halfway just for purposes of the video, so we're going to go ahead and remove these three, and they are going to then be the new hole locations for our carbon fiber arch guards. On the rear arch guards, we have a 22 millimeter top spacer with the extended screw for the top, which is supplied with a kit. For the second lowest hole, you're going to use the original screw with a small 5 millimeter nylon spacer supplied with a kit, which we will slip through like so. And then on the bottom hole, we are going to use the original screw supplied as well with 0 spacers. So let's get them lined up. With the arch guards in place, I haven't completely tightened the 3 holes, as the arch guards are made to be adjustable for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude out of the arch. So you're able to slide them in and out about 2 to 4 millimeters on your desired fitment.